Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Mindy. If you're new here, I don't always do stuff like this. If you've been around a while, you know that sometimes I make mistakes. So I am lovingly calling this video a Mindy mix-up. Yep, I had a mix-up. So you have seen most of this, but you saw it under the title of a Temu haul. I don't know what happened. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know. I got 2 packages in the mail and I thought they were all from Temu and they were not. So these 4 items, which you've seen 3 of in the Temu haul, were actually from Fansells. So I am going to go through them again quickly for the 3 that you've already seen and give you links for them this time because Fansells deserves their due. These did not come from Temu. Okay? All right, let's get to it. I'm going to save this one to the end because this is one you haven't seen. So let me show you these real quick. All right. So we had this cute little canvas of a little gnome just swinging in his hammock with his windmill, sunflowers, really cute. Special drills here, special drills here, and I'll kind of show you. See, I taped those on there. Here's the special drills. We have these large gold ones. Have some gold marquees, and we have those orange, like I call them the claws. And then there's some green marquees. So thankfully I had those packaged so that you could see them. I like that. Okay, so there's that cute little guy. All right. I'm telling you, sometimes, you guys, sometimes life, just, I don't know. It was all pre-retreat. My mind was not where it should have been. So anyhow, this one is a hanging. So there's the toolkit and the chain to hang it with. And I remember last time I was looking, trying to figure out how it's oriented, where the holes are. Here's one and here's one. Okay, so it hangs this way like that. Here's the 2 holes for the chain up here. Got all these butterflies and just these pretty sunflowers. I really liked this one. It's got special drills here, all around the sunflowers, in the butterflies. Of course, centers of the flowers also have special drills. All right. So our special drills are are they green or are they clear? I don't know. We have gold, round faceted. We have gold marquees that are faceted. Okay. Those are the special drills. And of course, we have blues, greens, and golds for the rest of the painting. I really like that one. Of course, I was on a sunflower kick here. Like almost everything here had sunflowers. I should have known. I mean, I should have known. I don't know. No excuses. I have no excuses. I had to go dig these all back up from where I had them put away. This one I had out still because this one I want to do like this month. I want to do this one. I really, really want to do this one. So this one is a stand-up piece. Here is the base that you put it in. And here is this cute, cute little sunflower paw print. This one I really, really like. Look at all these special drills. All of these, all of those, the centers of the flowers. There's a ton of special drills. There's even around this little sunflower, we have little special drills around this one. I mean, there's very little rhinestones, honestly. Very, very few rhinestones on that piece. I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'll open these because I want you to see all the special drills for this one because there are so many. I'm going to get this one done this month. That is my goal. So the rhinestones are really a yellow, an orange, and a green. That's it. The rest is special. Black. Those are the centers of the flowers. There's those little ones that go around the small sunflowers. 2 bags of the larger ones that go around the bigger sunflowers. And then we have these, which those go on these orange sunflowers right here. I mean, it's going to be gorgeous. I mean, it is mostly special drills. It's going to be beautiful. And it won't take that long. I want to get that one done. Get it done. Get it done. All right. Now, the one you have not seen, and luckily, I had not put out part 2 of the Temu video yet, so I haven't shown you this one. But let's show it to you. Okay. Hear a chicken? There's a chicken out there. All right, another base. Make sure you take off the film off both sides. And look at these guys. What are they, Chihuahuas? I think they're Chihuahuas. I think they're adorable. Look at them. They're rock and roll singing Chihuahuas. We got one in pink, one in blue with their microphones. Look at all the music notes around them. This one, unlike the one I just showed you, is mostly rhinestones and very few special drills. So they're completely opposite in what comes with them, but they're both super cute. I love that. Isn't that cute? So let's show you the drills for that one. Like I said, I will link these below so that you can go check these out at Fansells. Oh boy. All right, rhinestones. This is like a really dark brown and a clear and a gold and a blue. That's a smoky gray. Another type of a blue, a red, yet another blue, a couple of pinks, another brown, and then here's our special drills. A few little white pearls, some pink hearts, and some blue round faceted. Love it. Okay. Well, you guys, if you watched, I truly appreciate that you watched the video. You know, even though you already saw most of these, I appreciate it. Fansells appreciates it. I love Fansells. I love working with Fansells. I always get great things from them, as you can see here, evidenced by what I have, you know. So, yeah, please check them out. Give them a little support and forgiveness on my part. There we have it. All right. Thanks again, everybody. The part 2 of the Temu haul will come out, and I will take out the little dogs because that was the only thing in that part. Of course, it had to be the video that I had mostly Fansell stuff in that I already put out there, right? Of course. Why not? Anyhow, thank you so much for watching and for just understanding. Sometimes things happen. Sometimes my brain is on other things and not focused on what it should be focused on, I guess. All right. Thanks, everybody. And hit the like button, subscribe button. Still trying to get to 8,000. Still trying to get there. You know, we're ticking away. Just tick, 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 tick. We got to keep going. So like, share, comment, all those things. Lets people know you like my videos, and it gets pushed out to more people. So I appreciate it. And I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.